So, you haven't heard yet, but sadly our previous bird, Dusty, died suddenly. And so we've got a new bird to keep Floyd company, and this is the first time they've met. As you can see, Floyd is doing a lot of showing off. He's very happy. The new bird is called Max. Max is a couple of months younger than Floyd, 3 months younger in fact. Okay, things have calmed down a bit now. Have you calmed down a bit, Floyd? Still a bit of showing off, yeah? So, Max, what do you think? We can see what Floyd thinks. He thinks he's the boss. He is a little bit bigger than you, isn't he? Oi, no squabbling. Oh, aren't you two getting on nicely?